Golden rules of a powerful social media presence. Number 1. The look and feel of your Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and X pages should reflect the look, feel, and branding of your website. You need to post at least twice per week on Instagram and Facebook. You need to post once per week on LinkedIn if you sell to consumers, and twice per week if you sell to business. Number 2. 5 tips for successful online video. A core video, 2-4 minutes, pics and graphics with script and voiceover. Regular drip feed of videos, you are now a media business. Weekly or monthly videos distributed to all your media. Websites, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, and email. Do an interview. Just get 5 questions to ask the person you are interviewing. Video testimonials. Number 3. 5 tips for successful online video. Send more emails, at least 3 times per week. Avoid Monday morning and Friday afternoon. Avoid business emails. Don't always be selling people. Segment your list. Number 4. Try using Reels. Instagram's answer to TikTok. What is it? Short entertaining video clips where you can also add effects, music, and filters. Get creative. What can you show off about your brand in a snappy, fun, and interactive way? Number 5. Faceless video. If you don't want to have your face on the video, where you have to set up your office or study, I have the answer. I use www.bestpictory.com. It's amazing software and the price is low. You can learn it in about 6 minutes. Also, check out YouTube marketing strategies and secrets on how to rank in position 1, 2, 3, or 4 on YouTube and Google's new free ad system. Go to www.secretsuccesses.com.